What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing none other than Bray Wyatt, the Fiend. You can tell this is the Ultimate Edition. Fairly came out. Got this one. Finally got my order from Ringside. Took about a month, but it's all good as long as I have it here. Let's get started. There he is, the Fiend. We'll go ahead and take them on one by one. So first of all, of course you know now, the Ultimate Edition, highly articulated, includes an swappable head, arms, and his vest, and of course this is the only place where you get the Universal Fiend title. Okay, there he is, the Fiend, Bray Wyatt. Finally got him out there. His figures are highly articulated, double jointed elbows, double jointed knees, so you can do multiple poses with them. And go ahead, we'll see what they have as far as accessories. The swappable head, this one he got his tongue out. This one not regular. Then of course his belt. This is an awesome belt. Highly articulated. Like the back, it has like a truly like a belt. And then we have his head. It's basically his entrance gear, right? If you want to swap out his hands with his jacket, we can go ahead and do that now. So for these, all you do is just pop them out. Make sure you have the right left and left. So you just pop out. Pop out that way. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure you put the jacket on him first, so that way you can put the hands in there. This is an awesome Bray Wyatt figure. See, let's grab the Elite one. Let's compare them. Let's see. So this is the Elite, the one we got recent, or for the first round before we got the Ultimate Edition. He's a little shorter for some reason, or it's just me. So overall, I think this is highly detailed. Obviously, the Ultimate Edition Bray Wyatt, awesome figure. This is a must for any collector. So again, thank you all for watching. If you haven't seen yet, make sure you watch my 2021 action figure review room. There's 3 parts to it. Sorry guys, I know it's kind of long. I want to make sure you got the whole experience. Until next time.